Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is Stokes theorem. Stokes theorems was formulated in its modern form by Elie Cartons in 1945. Following earlier work on the generalizations of the theorem of vector calculus by Vito Volterra, Adolphe Gaussiet and Henry Poincaré, means this is basic information, but here we explains. These theorems gives relation between surface integrals and volume integrals is known as a Stokes theorem. For example, this is a line integrals and is equal to curl a ds. Mean this theorem gave relation between surface integral and line integral is known as Stokes theorem. Is known as okay. Understand means gave relation between surface integral and volume integral. For example, this is a surface and C is a lines of the surface. Mean the integral of this line is equal to the integral of surface. Mean this is inside the boundary is known as surface, and the lines outside the surface is known as lines. Mean the line integrals is equal to surface integral means it states that the line integrals of a tangential component of a vectors. Tangential component means, for example, this is a surface, and if lines cross outside the surface, known as tangential, this point is known as tangentials. Okay, the line integral of a tangential component of a vectors A taken around a simple closed curve C. Taken around a simple closed curve C, this is closed curve C, is equal to surface integrals of normal component of curve of A. Then is equal to surface integral. I mean this integral is equal to line integral, and this is a normals component of curves A taken over any surface S having C as its boundary. Means C, I already explained, C is a boundary of surface integrals. For example, again understand, around a simple closed curves means curves, simple closed curves does not actually have that curves, means a connected curve that does not cross itself and end at the same point, means this is only shows circle boundary. Simple closed curves show surface boundary. Okay, understand. The line integral is equal to surface integral. The line integral only exists in one dimensions and surface integral exists in two dimensions. Mean ds is a area, means ds is equal to d dx and dy. Mean ds exists in two dimensions, dx and dy. Okay, understand. Also we explain here dx is equal to d s is equal to dx and dy, and n is a normal component. Mathematically forms we already explained this. This is the mathematically forms. Okay, curl ads, line integral is equal to double integral curls ads. A is a show the distance, mean the show the surface, means in two dimension. ds is equal to dx and dy, means the integrals of the surface denoted by ds. We also write this in curl a, n is a normal ds. Okay, and we already explains in curl a, n is a normal component and ds is a surface, show the surface in distance. Okay, Consider the vectors A such that A is a vectors and A1 is A2 and A3 is a vector component of A. Mean A is a vectors and this is a component of A, and R is a position vectors and exist in three dimensions x, y and z. X, y and z, and also vector exist in x, y and z. Okay, then dr we take derivatives, then write in dr is write in dxi, dyj and dzk. Mean take derivative for small patches. Mean this is positions of position component of r, and we take derivative of r means small into convert into small. Then we take a dot product between a and dr. Dot product a and dr is equal to I dx I2 dy and I3 dz. Me you say me how I not write a with all means a dx a1 dy a1 dz means the I dot I is equal to 1 and I dot with any others is equal to 0. That is the reason they multiply with this, and also I dot I exist, then I dot I is equal to 1, and if we multiply with dyj, then I dot j is equal to 0. Only a give answers with dxi means this. With others multiply I ai we multiply with other, then they equal to 0. And similarly a 2 multiply with dy gives a 2 dy, and multiply with others, for example k and j, then j dot I 0, j dot k 0. Okay, understand? Then I write this, and here's we prove we already obtains this, and now we obtains curl a. Curl a is equal to I j k, and derivatives of partials over partial x, partial over partial y, partial over partial z. This is write a component of vectors a, a1 a2 a3. Okay, understand? First to multiply partial y over partial over partial y, multiply a3, then multiply partial over partial z a2, and write with the I component. For I component we multiply this 4 component with each other. Okay, and write in this way. When we multiply partial y with the a3, and if we cross multiply with the a2, then we write negative signs. Okay, understand? And also when we write for the unit vectors of j, then we use negative signs. Okay, understand? First to multiply means if we write this unit vectors I, then we not ignores this columns, and if we write unit vectors of j, then we uh, ignores these columns and only write this. For k we ignores column of k, only write this. Okay, understand? Then we multiply this with a3, and a1 multiply this, write in this form, and j. And also for k we ignore these columns and write a2 multiply with our partial x, and a1 multiply with partial y, write in these forms. And now we use this, means we use again we write this, and but if is a negative sign, and negative sign we multiply within this value, then within value change means we take negative signs from this value, and negative negative plus, and within value change signs, means this is negative signs. After taking common, this value positives, and this value negative after taking negatives commons. Okay, and this is same value, right here 2, here 2. Okay, this is key. And also let n is equal to n show directions, n show directions, means n is equal to cos alpha I, cos beta j, and cos gamma k. Okay, understand? And now we multiply, means we obtains curl a dot n. Now we multiply n with this value, okay, this value only we write and multiply with n is equal to cos alpha I plus cos beta j plus cos gamma k. And after multiplying, we also know that only I value multiply with each other, and ij and ik value multiply with each other, then it equal to 0, and only I component exist. For example, I and I exist, partial a3 over partial y minus partial a2 over partial z is equal to cos alpha. Similarly, 3 value we obtains. Okay, understanding? Now we putting the value of this and this in equation 1, then we obtains easily, means this value is equal to this right here, and this value is equal to this, put here, then we find these relations. Okay, this is our relations of line integrals and surface integrals. Okay.